everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, it is freaking freezing. Still, I'm sick of it. I'm ready for spring to come and all this stuff to be over with. But what we've got going on today is a couple of things. Whoa. So what we've got going on today is, like I talked about in the last episode, we're doing some dollies so that when we got the front suspension out of a car, we can do we can actually move the car around. And we actually need this lift next weekend because our buddy Scott's stopping back by with the white car that we just finished. The 6R80 is shifting hard. Ford's actually got a TSB for it, but his transmission started doing that after he got home. It was still shifting, but it was shifting hard. So we're going to swap that out. But in the meantime, we had to get Mr. Immobile here out of the way so that we could swap the trans out. So what we're doing today, right over there, we're going to make the dollies. Here we go. Okay, so dolly construction rolls on. As you can see, got the angle iron on there, back K-member mounts, and over here cutting and drilling more. Good times, good times. Yeah, these are actually going to be really helpful, and the reason I want to do this video is because if you're building a car, especially like in your garage, and you need to move it around, these things will help out a ton. There's nothing to it. Some angle iron and some casters. Hold on, I'll show you casters over here. There's the casters. Put that on there and you'll be able to actually bolt, you know, that into the car, move it around without the front suspension underneath it. And that is super helpful. Even if you've got a big shop, it's going to be super helpful.
Or like the dolly over there. It's got nothing on it, huh?
Right, exactly. Alright guys, so look, got the dollies in there. Nothing to it. Ghetto FAB for the win. They work. And now, as you can see, the car sitting on it. We can roll it around, move it, and doesn't have to be on the lift 24/7, which is definitely a good thing, especially when you only have one lift. But quick and easy way, move your car around with all the front suspension and everything out of it. mission accomplished. Okay, so that is about what I've got for you today. It's just been kind of one of those days where we're planning and scheming and putting some things together for what is coming. And as you know, got the car mobile again.
Yeah, mobile.
Nothing to that. That is definitely very helpful for anybody doing a major build. But definitely have a lot more work to do. As you can see, these are also going to help move cars around. And yeah, lots to do. But that's one of the things about the builds. It's not always exciting. It's not always sexy. It's not even very entertaining. But you got to get stuff done. And ultimately, the end result is going to be 100% worth it. So stick with us. We're going to continue. And trust me when I say when it's done, you won't want to miss it. So make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. And be back with you very shortly. Later.